Welcome again to the Peak Performance Protocol series. It's time for spring cleaning. Not talking about the house, not talking about your old sock drawer, I'm not talking about your closet. We're talking about the body, the system, and we want to bring it down to a cellular level. You already know your body has channels of elimination. You have the kidneys, the liver, the lungs, and of course, the biggest organ on the outside of your body, the skin. We want to cleanse the system. How are we going to do it? In the description box below, there's a link for a one-day detox. It's going to give you everything you need for that one day of detoxing your body. It's going to give you something for the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. Your cells need to be permeable. They need to allow nutrients in and waste products out. A lot of things that you put into your system can cause the cell membrane that has all these receptors in order to allow the nutrients in, especially glucose. If those receptor sites on the cell membrane are clogged up or impregnated with too much fatty acids, that can be an issue and that can cause insulin resistance. So we want to cleanse the body on a cellular level, allowing your body to rest, putting the right macro and micronutrients in, and allowing all the waste products to be removed out. And you're going to have some information of the things that you want to put away just for a little while you're doing your spring cleaning. Especially the refined sugars, the saturated fats, the bad carbs, all those things. Once you do away with those and start to cleanse from within with the good, wholesome, natural foods, you are going to feel amazing. It's going to be a whole new world. So I can't wait for you to open that link up, get your one-day detox PDF, go through it, follow it to a T, and then let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Hey, looking forward to speaking to you again in the next video. Bye.